Package dimensions, 33.274 cms, L, x 23.114 cms, W, x 10.414 cms, H. Package quantity, 1. Product type, car electronics. Country of origin, United States. Top reviews from the United States. Works great on low 8TC. No complaints really besides the idea of it being a little flimsy, but she worked out great. You just gotta snap off the excess/unused tabs, install radio to mount, then you're all set. Try using a strong scissors or something to start off breaking the tabs, makes it more easier and has less of a chance to break other parts of its structure. Overall happy with the price, and install was pretty simple and went by quick.